Welcome to week 2 of online learning. We're going to continue with Poetry Slam. That was introduced to you way back on the Friday before spring break with the sub that day. Obviously, a lot has changed since then, but we are going to continue with the Poetry Slam in this semester. So these are the assignments you have for this week, which is only a 4-day week. Don't forget that. Do try to give yourself Friday off from class by finishing all your stuff ahead of time. Friday is spring vacation. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, you're supposed to have off. So do try to do that by completing these assignments by Thursday. I only have 4, so you can complete one each day or thereabouts, and you're good to go. So, Poetry Slam Week 1 intro, this is just this video. Do you think poetry is an important outlet? This is a question for discussion board, just like we had last week, and we will have one of these each week. Your job is to answer this question with your own thoughts and then also reply to one of their students' response. Both responses should include original thinking and not just I agree. Add your own thoughts. Then there's the intro to slam poetry. This is a PDF that's going to take you through and you're going to watch two different, uh, one, you're going to listen to one recording and then watch a video. And these are two different slam poems. This one by Taylor Mali is definitely a slam poem. This one, We Real Cool by Gwendolyn Brooks, is sort of a slam poem, but it's a little bit different. You'll see why once you listen to it. We're going to go through, answer all the questions for each one. Here, what do you notice about the way she reads this poem out loud compared to how it appears on the page? Is that what you expected? Answer that here. Same thing here. The video and the text don't perfectly match. Why do you think that happened? Answer that question. All the way through here. What do you notice about his reading in terms of voice, body, facial expression, and overall emotion? We will come back to that in just a second. These are guided notes. So this is a second part of this. Become a slam poet in 5 steps. This is a 3-minute, 31-second video. It's guided notes, so she will say these words, and then you'll fill in the blank all the way throughout. And this exit ticket, explain what is slam poetry. How is slam different from other forms of poetry, such as spoken word or poetry that's meant to stay on the page? What should a good slam poem include or sound like? Answer each of those for the exit ticket. I have another discussion board later this week that you will answer this question with your classmates. That one is here. What do you notice about Taylor Mali's reading of Totally Like What You Know in terms of his voice, body, facial expression, and overall emotion? This is a question from the poetry worksheet. Just answer it again here, and then you're going to need to respond to one of the person's posts. Both responses should include original thinking and not just I agree. Add your own thoughts in here. Really think about and discuss why Taylor Mali read his poem the way he did. The reason you're going to do that is because next week you will do your own slam poem. So keep that in mind and begin working and begin thinking about how you would like your own slam poem to look. If you have any questions, email me or send me a message or remind. Again, if you have not signed up for Remind, please do so. Thank you.